Treat hypogonadism naturally. Low testosterone levels. Men suffer from a sudden reduction in testosterone levels because of various reasons. A reduced level of this particular hormone makes the whole reproductive system weak, tired and exhausted to affect the stamina of men. Men with low energy and with low vitality are normally unable to make love in bed because of weak erections, low volume of semen, and low libido. Bad practices such as excessive stimulation and hand practice etc. are also responsible for low stamina among men. In this video, you will know how to fix low testosterone, boost muscle growth and treat hypogonadism naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Natural Testosterone Booster Supplement. Kaunch Shakti capsules are reliable natural ways to boost testosterone levels and improve sex drive. They can overcome all these issues and provide wonderful potency and virility to men. These natural supplements for men enhance nervous system function and re-energize the reproductive system. These capsules improve the performance of the cardiac, digestive, and circulatory systems to enhance the vitality, stamina, and physical strength of men. Low Testosterone Reasons. Many men out are unable to maintain their sexual capability or satisfy their partners in bed, and they are searching for methods to improve their sex drive. Reduced sex drive may be the reason for low testosterone secretion. Chronic diseases, medications, growing age are some of the causes for low levels of testosterone. Taking herbal testosterone enhancer supplements are the best in this matter. Increase sex drive. Kaunch Shakti capsules are the best herbal testosterone enhancer supplements that help to increase sex drive in men. Normally, libido of men is decided by his physical or mental health and performance of the reproductive system. Some men become disinterested in sexual activities because of poor mental or physical health, which includes anxiety, low level of energy, and stress. There may be some causes for this problem which may be related to the reproductive system, which makes it sluggish and weak and bring problems such as premature ejaculation, low volume of semen, lack of sex drive, and weak erection. Kaunch Shakti capsule is a supplement that does not cause any adverse effects. It helps in improving male power and increases the libido of men naturally. It is ideal for men of all ages. If you want to know how to get Kaunch Shakti capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Benefits of herbal supplement. It improves energy levels, elevates vitality, improves muscular strength, increases testosterone secretion and endurances in men. It improves libido levels, sperm count, virility potency, and the ability of men to make love long-lasting. You can get relief from depression, anxiety, and stress and cure premature ejaculation problems in men. Effectiveness of Kaunch Shakti capsules. This herbal supplement improves metabolism, maintains hormonal balance, and improves energy levels in men. This supplement contains aphrodisiac herbal ingredients that help to improve the function of nerves, re-energize the reproductive system, enhance genital organ functions, and also provide strength to tissues. It increases testosterone secretion, which improves sex drive in men. This herbal supplement contains herbs like Kaunch, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, Bala, Gokru, and Musli. These are reliable herbs that help in improving stamina and power and provide treatment for low stamina and testosterone. Overcome weakness. Some of the additional benefits of this supplement are improved immune system, improved liver performance, proper water defecation, improved fat metabolism, and improved kidney function, endurance, muscle strength, healthy heart, healthy blood circulation, improved fertility, and elevated sperm count. These herbal supplements are the most recommended power-enhancing pills since they provide men with powerful erections and help them to make love for a longer duration. These enhance the intense desire in men for making love and make them perform well in bed with great enthusiasm and power. Kaunch Shakti capsules supply bioactive nutrients and make sure that they reach all the organs correctly. These are the ideal herbal sex enhancer pills because of their amazing benefits which help in improving fertility in men. These also increase the count of sperm and promote the health functions of the prostate to increase semen quantity. Delay aging. These supplements also prevent the side effects of aging and repair damage happen to the reproductive system. The capacity to offer so many advantages make these herbal pills the best power enhancer capsules. These herbal pills act as anti-aging properties and re-energize mental and physical health. These are the herbal remedies for simple to serious issues related to the circulatory system, digestive and nervous system, and also improve the health of your heart. These contain herbs that help you to maintain balance in hormones. You can also practice relaxation exercises like meditation and yoga regularly. You can engage in foreplay before lovemaking. It relieves you from tension and stress and helps to focus on lovemaking at the same time stimulates her for lovemaking. It is helpful for both partners to enjoy intense lovemaking pleasure. World's finest testosterone booster pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Kaunch Shakti capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.